this video, we're going to see about what project I have done in my EM3D class. So the project name is nothing but an 3D model of doing an articulated robotic arm. So I have done that using Fusion 360 software. It's an 3D modeling software. After that, I have converted that file as from F3D to an STL file, and then I have imported that in this software. What we are using is Ultimaker Cura. So let's see what you have to do in this Ultimaker Cura. So what you are viewing here is this new project. You can see here is my project. After clicking new project, this project, you can see that here the options are being opened. The first one is move. The move option is for moving the object up, down, left and right and all in all directions. And the main thing here is we have to place our model inside this cube shaped box because whatever things is going to be in this box is going to be getting 3D printed. So we have to be very careful in that. And then we have an option for scaling. We could make the model bigger, smaller, and etc. So after that, we have an option for rotating, which helps us to rotate the model in case of changing the angle of the model for printing it in an easier way. And then we have a mirror option. If the model is in a mirror type of anime model, so that it will be very easy for printing two models at the same time, which is mirrored directly. So and then we have an per model selecting and an support blocker. Support blocker is nothing but while we are going to print this model, there are some extra filament structures that is going to be created, which is just stick to the model, so that that is the nothing but a support thing. So that while creating this, we could block the support so that it will be more efficient on finishing processes and etc. So you could see there are some many views down, which is this is the front view. So this is the top view. This is left and right views. So this is what my 3D model. And here you could see in the right corner, you could see the slice operation. The slice operation is a thing that it makes our model to be ready for the 3D printing process. So I have done that. Yeah, it shows some timings. It shows like 1 hour 16 minutes. It is nothing but it's going to take 1 hour 16 minutes for printing the whole model. So that's what it's showing to us. So after showing this, we could give the preview option. It goes to preview and just show how it has been scaled. Like it is scaled with different layers for the 3D printing process. Now we have to save to the disk, and then our model is ready for our 3D printing. So it's like you use this Ultimaker software to make the model which is to be ready for the 3D printing process. So this is how I have done my project. So again, I'm saying that the project name is Articulated Robotic Arm. It's nothing but an industrial robotic arm which helps to take an object from one place to another and put it in a different track in an industries and etc. So thank you for watching this video.